Hello everyone, here in this video we are going to discuss how to install YouTube application on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. On Chromebook, if you want to use YouTube, you need to open Google Chrome browser and you need to visit youtube.com to access YouTube on your Chromebook. Also, sometimes it has a shortcut on your Chromebook shelf to open YouTube. However, if you want to install YouTube application on your Chromebook, then you can easily do so. For that, first of all, you have to update your Chromebook to the latest version. To update your Chromebook, simply click on App Launcher icon, open Settings, then click on About Chrome OS and update your Chrome OS to the latest version. After that, click on App Launcher icon and open Apps and Games application. It is an app store for your Chromebook where you will find all the optimized apps and games. Here, simply search for YouTube. Now from the search result, simply select YouTube application and here you will get option to install YouTube. Click on Install from Web option and here we have a installation window. Here click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once the application has been installed, you can simply close the window or you can open YouTube application from here. Let me close the window. Now to open YouTube, click on App Launcher icon and here you will find YouTube application. Click on this icon to open YouTube or else you can pin this icon to the Chromebook shelf. For that, right click on it, then click on Pin to Shelf. Now you can use this Chromebook shelf shortcut to open YouTube app. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.